Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel all about Wix. Today we are going to be creating a price quote on the Wix Studio workspace. Let's get started. On your workspace, go to Client Experience on the left, go to CRM and Client Billing, and go to Price Quotes. Click Create Price Quote. First, set up your business info, such as your business name, your business logo, as well as your business email address. Then click on Create Price Quote. Here, input the title of your price quote, and on this field, select the customer you're creating this price quote for. You can select from the ones already here, or you can add a new customer. Moving on, set its expiration date, and select your preferred payment terms. Next, let's work on the quote details. Input the product or service you'd like to charge them for. You can also enter a description over here. Moving on, indicate its price, its quantity, add tax info if necessary. By the way, tax rates depend on your country and your state, so please refer to a professional for that. You can also see the line total here, and if you'd like to add a discount, you can set up discounts here. Moving on, in case you want to add more info, you can add notes over here and terms as well. Once you're done, go back to the very top and review all of your inputs. Make sure that there will be no mistakes. Once you're all good, you can either save it as a draft or preview and share it. So this is what your price quote is going to look like once you send it. Once you're ready to send it, click on Send. Then click on Send Email. And that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.